No, in the cup.
And Daddy's asking what breakfast Denise she wants.
I want to eat it in the cup.
And I am super... You forgot to say please to Dad.
Please.
Oh, see? You're so blessed to have a loving and caring Daddy. Let us see. These are the birds. They're coming closer now. You keep quiet. They're eating. See, I told you they're gonna be closer to us. Look at how God loves you. He loves all His creation. We provide your needs and we are providing. Ooh, flying away. Oh, you got your request. What is that? Be careful.
It's mine.
Is that soup? Is that soup? Patola soup. Yum yum. Your wish is granted.
The D is for
Thank
me
you.
and the T is for you.
Thank you. D for Denise, T for Teresa. We have patola soup.
And there's also an A.
Yeah, that's for Daddy Ace.